everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel RoboKiller subscription on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Settings app on your phone. Once you are in, tap on your name at the top of your screen. Then tap on Subscriptions. You will see a list of all your active and expired subscriptions. Look for RoboKiller inside the list and tap on it. Once the RoboKiller subscription page opens, tap Cancel Subscription. A message will pop up asking you want to confirm. Tap Confirm or Cancel Subscription again. Your RoboKiller subscription is now cancelled. Even after cancelling, RoboKiller will continue to work until the end of your current billing period. After that day, you will not be charged again. The subscription will fully end. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your RoboKiller subscription on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.